In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is head on over to spectrum.net support/internet and then sign in to see if there's any known outages in your area. Then from there, we want to power cycle your modem and router. So unplug the modem and router if separate. Wait a minute, then plug in the modem first, wait for it to fully boot up, then plug in the router if you have one. Step 3, check the cable, so ensure the coaxial cable is securely connected to the wall and modem. Inspect for any damages or loose Ethernet or power cables on the back of the unit. Then use a different coaxial outlet if available. Then we want to go ahead and reset the modem. So locate the reset button. It's a small pinhole. Hold it down for at least 10 to 15 seconds with a paper clip or pen. Wait for the modem to reboot. This may take up to 5 minutes. Try a direct connection. So disconnect the router, connect the device like a laptop directly to the modem with an Ethernet cable. If it works, the issue might be your router. Fix 6. Contact Spectrum support. So if it's still blinking blue and white after all the steps above, call this number or use the My Spectrum app to chat with support. And now this is what the lights mean. So blinking blue and white means modem is syncing with Spectrum's network. Solid blue, connection is established and working.